SoutheastFor the Air Force of the People's Liberation Army, this aircraft represents the fifth iteration of the design. PLAAF. Black Eagle is its NATO reporting designation.
In November 2010, two prototypes were created for both air and ground testing. Countries in Pakistan, the Middle East, Latin America, Southeast Asia, and Africa are among those who may purchase a J-20. The J-20 was developed to carry out ground attack operations in dangerous conditions. Because of its delta wings, the airplane can travel at supersonic speeds to greater altitudes. The Sukhoi T-50 and the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor are dwarfed by comparison. The prototype's front half is styled after the F-22 Raptor, while the back half is reminiscent of a Sukhoi T-50. While Russia and India were developing fifth-generation aircraft together, China decided to stay out because it would have been more lucrative for Russia to have China's help. CAIG began work on the J-20 in the late 1990s as part of the JXX program, to create a fifth-generation aircraft to compete with Russian aircraft.
The JXX program, also called Project 718, shows how the PLAAF's fourth and fifth generation planes are made. In August 2008, CAIG was chosen as the program's primary provider. In December 2010, pilots tested the plane's high-speed taxiing capabilities. As of January 2011, the first test flight had been accomplished. MiG, a Russian aerospace company, shot down rumors in August 2011 that it was giving China's Chengdu J-20 fighter aircraft access to its stealth technology. China has made and tested a J-20 prototype aircraft, making it the third country to do so after the US and Russia. It is anticipated that the Chinese J-20 will join the service sometime between 2018 and 2020. The Su-27 SK Flanker B, Su-30 MKK Flanker G, and Su-30 Mk2 SK Flanker G will be phased out in favor of the J-20 once it enters service. The J-20 will have a diverter's supersonic inlet (DSI), a V-shaped tail and tail fins, a canard delta layout, and a modern fly-by-wire (FBW) system. It will also have a blended fuselage with a small radar cross-section. Each FBW unit has its engine administration and fire control system. The scanned data from the target will be sent to the gun control system by the Active Electronically Scanned Array (ASA) radar. Russian-made Saturn 117S engines propel the J-20 prototype. Altogether, the engines can generate a total of 32,000 pounds of force. The J-20 has a maximum vertical acceleration of 304 m/s.p. Altogether, the engines can generate a total of 32,000 pounds of force. The J-20 has a maximum vertical acceleration of 304 meters per second. You'll be able to hit a top speed of over 2,100 kilometers per hour. The service altitude and range are set at 18,000 meters and 3,400 kilometers, respectively. The two thrust vectoring turbofan engines in the production airplane will produce a combined 30,000 pounds of thrust. Shenyang Liming Aircraft Engine Company is in charge of making the engine and coming up with its design. One high-pressure turbine and two low-pressure turbines will power the circular compressors and burners. To lessen its radar cross-section, RCS, and infrared (IR) radiation, the WS-10G will be outfitted with thrust vector-controlled (TVC) nozzles. The motor is 0.95 meters in circumference. It has a total weight of 1,494 kilograms.